In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get free $5 without doing anything. How to get free $5 from this website without any investment. So to get started, click the link on the description box. Then enter your mobile number over here. Then your password. Then your password again. Then right now click on register. Now we've been registered successfully. Now the next thing to do is click on solar. Then click on free solar panel. As you can see over here, the first one right here, click on review. Then enter 5. Just enter 5. Then click on impute amount. So now you have invested with your free income. As you can see right now, you have invested with the free money given to you, with the free $5 given to you. So the next thing to do again on this website is to join their Telegram group. So click on Telegram. As you can see right here, here is today's code. So I'm gonna copy it. So every day they give out gift codes. So when you copy this gift code, all you have to do is go back to the website, go to home, go over to your home, then click on gifts. Then when you click on gifts, then here that is using enter code, paste your code right here. Then click on get draw opportunity. Now we have successfully redeemed the code. As you can see right here, we have gotten $1 for free. So on this website, the minimum withdrawal is $10. The minimum withdrawal on this website is $10. You can withdraw, you can also recharge. So to recharge, here is the recharge button on the home page. Click on recharge. Then the minimum recharge amount is $10. So you can click on $10, $25, $50, or you can enter the recharge amount ranging from $10 and above. And also on this website, you can also invite your friends. You can invite friends and then you get commission when your friends invest. And this website is a newly launched website and you can make the most out of it. Coming right here, you can see different panels to invest with. Here is the free one, the one with $10 price. Here is $20 price, $50 price, $100 price. So you can choose the one that suits you. Over here is the team tab. So when you refer any of your friends, you earn commission when they recharge. When they withdraw, you also earn commission when they withdraw. So right here you can see collect. So collect, when you collect your income, this after 1 hour, after investing your free solar panel, after 1 hour, come back and click on collect. Come back and click on collect to collect your free mind income. Then coming to the account center, you can see the gift records. As you can see right here, I've gotten $1 for my gift record. So every day, ensure you get their gift code. Ensure you get the gift code. And as you can see right here, you can download the app. And if you found this video helpful and interesting, do it to subscribe and leave a like to get more amazing videos like this.